Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Figma project. First, open Figma and choose to create a new design file. You can also import an existing file if you have one ready. Next, organize your workspace efficiently by using pages to separate different sections of your project. Within each page, use frames to define specific screens or components. This structured approach helps maintain clarity and makes collaboration much smoother for everyone involved. Now, let's dive into designing. Figma offers powerful vector editing tools to create precise shapes, lines, and icons. Head over to the Asset panel on the left to quickly access your components and styles. Applying consistent color styles and text styles across your project is crucial for a cohesive look. This ensures that your brand identity remains strong and unified throughout all your designs, saving you valuable time. Figma truly shines with its collaboration features. You can easily share your project with team members, allowing everyone to work together in real time, no matter their location. Once your designs are taking shape, build interactive prototypes to simulate user flows and test the user experience. This allows you to gather valuable feedback directly within Figma, making iterations quick and efficient. It's a seamless way to refine your designs. Finally, it's time for exporting and handoff. Figma allows you to export individual assets or entire frames in multiple formats, including PNG, JPG, and SVG, with just a few clicks. For developers, the handoff features provide all necessary specifications, such as CSS, iOS, or Android code snippets, making implementation straightforward. Remember to archive your project properly for future reference or any potential updates. This ensures your hard work is always accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.